All around our homes, both inside and out, filters keep everything running smoothly and reliably. When anything goes wrong with your lawnmower, chainsaw, furnace, or even your water quality, these filters are generally one of the first things you should check. They're also one of the simplest and most affordable things to maintain around your home. To help you do this, we've created an easy guide that'll let you know how often you should be checking your filters and when you'll likely need to replace them. Let us know what filters you routinely check and how often you clean or replace them in the comments. Outdoor power equipment and other small engine filters. Fuel filters and air filters protect your engines from dirt and debris. If you don't clean or replace them often, the filters will let more and more grime and less air into the engine until one day the engine just won't want to start at all. Clean your filters as regularly as possible, replacing them once a year for best performance. Furnace filters. The longer you neglect your furnace filter, the more energy it's going to use to do the same job. Maximize your furnace by replacing the filter every 3 months. Dryer filters. Avoid an unnecessary fire risk by cleaning out your lint filter after every load of laundry. It's a quick and easy habit to get into, and it'll give you peace of mind. Every few months, be sure to also check in the dryer's cabinet and duct, cleaning out any lint buildups. Dishwasher filters. Some dishwashers have self-cleaning filters. If yours has this feature, lucky you. If it doesn't, you'll want to check the filter every 2 to 3 weeks and replace it every 3 to 6 months. Doing this will help keep your dishes coming out spotless. Air purifier filters. Keep the air in your home clean and healthy by cleaning or replacing your home air filters once or even twice a year. Doing this will help prevent allergies and respiratory illnesses. Dehumidifier filters. If the air filter in your dehumidifier gets too dirty, the unit has to work harder and harder until it ultimately stops working at all. Clean the filter every 6 months, replacing it when necessary. Refrigerator filters. If your fridge is a water dispenser and ice maker, then it also has a water filter. While it helps keep your water and ice quality pretty high, over time the filter can form bacteria and mold. Avoid bad tasting or even unhealthy water by replacing the filter every 6 months. Over the range filters. The filter over your range exhausts both heat and cooking fumes, but if it gets too grimy, it won't do this well, meaning a sticky film on your stove and your walls. Make sure to clean the filter every 6 months and replace it when it gets too gross. Vacuum filters. With the amount of dirt, dust, and hair that gets caught in your vacuum's air filter, you should be cleaning it out often and replacing it as instructed by your owner's manual. If you neglect it for too long, the filter will get clogged up and your vacuum will end up shooting out all the dust and dirt back into the room. Not ideal, so keep the filter clean. This is a handy guide to follow, but make sure to look at your owner's manual for more recommendations and instructions. What other important filters should people be checking, cleaning, and replacing regularly? Let us know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe.